Have monthly bills or retainer invoices that are exactly the same every time. Stop recreating them manually. Recurring transactions are your key to automation. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Whether it's a bill, invoice, or sales receipt, create it once. Before you save or send, look for the Make Recurring button at the bottom. Click it, and you'll set the rules. You can choose the frequency: monthly, weekly, yearly. Set the start date and how many times to repeat, or have it go on indefinitely. You can choose to have QuickBooks automatically enter it, or just remind you to review and post it. My crucial pro tip: use scheduled for bills, reminder for invoices. For subscription bills you always pay, set them to scheduled so they post automatically. For client invoices, use reminders so you can review and add any one-off details before sending each month. This balances automation with control. Set it and forget it. You will save countless hours over the course of a year. What's your most frequent recurring transaction? Rent, software subscriptions, or client retainers? Let me know. For more time-saving automations, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.